Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gabriella Elena, if you do not know already, and if you are new here, we just became best friends. So, hey bestie. So, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I slay my brows and how to get it to be sweat proof, last all day, and make it look like it's coming out of the follicle, make it look as natural as possible. We're gonna leave like drawn on brows back in 2018. Earlier this year, 2020, we want natural, fresh, slayed ass brows, okay, honey? And if you need your brows slayed in Miami, if you ever come to Miami, your girl got you. Just book an appointment with me. That's all you gotta do. I got you. So without further ado, stay tuned and I'll show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade number 5. I'm going to brush up the hairs, and right underneath here is where I'm going to trace. Not in the front, but more so in the middle. So I just raise my brows like this, and I'm doing short strokes. And I'm following my natural hair growth pattern. So I'm going in that same direction. If you don't know where your tail should end, it should always end right here at the end of the nostrils. So I can go a little longer. Right here, that's good. Then I'm going to brush down and do the same thing, following the same direction of the hair growth. Going down, like so. So I'm filling in wherever I do not have any hair. I am not just coloring it in. Then I brush upwards. You can see where I'm missing. So I flick up the hairs. So right now, right here, I'm going upwards. And I'm just filling in the hairs. Then I'm gonna take my, what's this called? I believe it's called Shape and Shade Brow Tint in the shade Spike by MAC. And this is gonna give it a more three-dimensional look. I'm gonna take the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And my Beauty Creations, concealer brush. And I'm going to do the same thing. So the next thing I like to use is the GimMe Brow by Benefit. I love this because it has fibers in it, so it's going to make your brows look more 3D, and it gives the illusion of more brow hairs. So it has a little spoolie like this, super, super cute. And then the next thing I like to use is Dermablend, the loose powder. Yes, I bake my brows because I be gone all day and I don't have time for it not to last. So I go like this. And if you feel like your brows are way too dark, this thing will lighten it up. So I let it sit. Normally I'll have this here and then I'll do my blush. I'll do my blush. I'll do my eye makeup and stuff like that. But since I have that on, I'll bake it. But for video purposes, I let this sit for a good 2 minutes while I do everything else. And then I'll take a Morphe brush or any fluffy brush, and I'll just knock it off. Now that the powder is completely off the brows, you have natural looking hairs that's growing out of the follicle, okay honey? Fresh. It's gonna last all day because we baked it. It's not gonna go anywhere. Flawless brows. Okay, I hope this helps. Sorry the lighting was crazy. I did not realize that, you know, it was, I'm still learning lighting, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and give me a big thumbs up and comment below if you want to see more. Bye guys.